Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this video and welcome back again to this tutorial. So now we are going to be talking about the important thing which is also regarding working from home. So maybe you always ask yourself, how can I work from home? Where can I get various jobs to do from home? Where can I get what to do online and work from home? How can I also earn passive income? But for sure, there are various platforms, there are various websites that you can join and also start making money today, start making money online on home. Also, what you need information. You need information of how this stuff is doing, how this website is performing. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be making money by texting, only texting. So please subscribe to this channel Max TV if you did not subscribe. Also like this video, share this video to your friends, and remember to turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. As you see now, if I want to be saying work from home, I want to be getting details that also you don't see. You also can see if I say work from home, you can see now I'm going to be getting various stuffs, but doesn't mean that all these stuffs are working as well. What you need information, which something is legit, which platform to be which is taken to be legit, so that others can be working with it. So you see, also you can go to LinkedIn, you see various positions that are getting announced day to day, but also you need to be sure if they are working perfectly, because some platforms they are working, but also others are influencing people to visit their platforms without also any kind of job support or job that you can do. So without wasting time, let's now get it started. So now the platform that we are going to be using today, the platform that I'm going to be showing you today is called Text Factory. So Text Factory, that is a platform that you can be also making money by only texting. When you say texting, we are going to be sending message and also be able to make money. So let's see now how this platform works. What do we do? We're going to be typing Text Factory in our computer. So if we type Text Factory, we're going to be directed to the platform itself. As you can see, now we can analyze this platform, how people are using this platform a day to day. So for example, let's try to analyze this platform and see how people are visiting this platform day to day. And see now, you can see how people to use right here, and also try to ensure that people, you can see if I scroll down, you can see a lot of people are visiting this platform, which means many people also maybe making money with this platform a day to day. So now what I do, you can see I'm now already on the platform itself. What I do here, yes, is to ensure that I can also start reading every details on that. I have to read every details here to be familiar with the details. So this is a video for an overview of how is everything. And I can see now, if you are reading here, you see there is, you can earn up 300 to 400 USD a week. This can also be be a lot more if you are willing to go the extra mile, which means the more hard work you do, the more way you earn more money. So it's all about depending on how you're going to be working. If you want to be earning more money, also we can be working hard and also go beyond extra mile, as they are saying here. So what you see now, you can see how you'll be doing this. You can see you only anonymous chat only, no calling or video. It's only anonymous chat. Work anytime, anywhere, and as much as you want. So no qualifications necessary, which means every person can be able to do this job. Support available 24/7. Also, you are going to be getting support 24/7, which means anytime, any hour, any second, any minute, you can be able to get someone who will be able to support you. Now let's see how. You can see now here is how I'm going to be apply. Apply right now, and they will contact you by email within 48 hours. You see, our coaches will answer all your questions. We offer you online training in which we show you the platform and prepare you for the independent work. These are the steps that you see now. They're going to be showing you how now it can be everything. You see now, after training, now you can work whenever you want. So you see now, after training, you can now start working whenever you want. Now you see this online workplace. So they give you opportunity to plan your own time and workload. So they have chat operators who work from 2 hours per week to full time. Work from anywhere, even from abroad. It's a full up to you to choose how you can be working. So now let's see the advantage of working with a Text Factory. You can see you can work from anywhere. You can be your own boss. You can also be part-time or full-time employee depending on what you want. Also, you can get a weekly wages. Depends on everything on it. So now you see what you need to be applying. You need to be fluent in English. That is the first thing. Also, you must be at least 80 years old. You need PC or laptop to be able to do this kind of job. You need reliable internet connection. So you don't need prior experience. You will work as a freelancer as well. And also now you can see you need an updated personal ID card as way of verifying you. Now you see they are saying that when you apply for a job at their company, they need to check that you are who you say or you are. Now if they check that you are who you say, which means they'll be verifying you to confirm your identity, so they process the payment to right person. Now let's see. Now you see these are testimonials of the people who who had been working with this part or this platform, and you can see now these are contact details that you can be using to contact them. So if you want to be contacting them, so now you can see you can now be applying here. If you want to be applying, you can be applying. So now these are also what we are going to be talking about in the next video, how you can be applying, and also how you can be able to start working on this platform. You can see the application form is very simple, and you can even be filling it out by now. So what you need is to fill out the email, the last name, also the now an email here, and also can be now starting getting email now to start getting work now today. So what you need to do, you need to fill out this and wait also for them to contact you or to come back to you within 48 hours. So that is what you are going to be doing in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, Nomax TV, turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at Nomax TV. Also, if you have any question or suggestion, leave it in the comment section.